Hi nostalgic home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a potato crust frittata.
This breakfast recipe comes together in no time, and it's one of those recipes that you can have any time of day.
A warm, tender, golden brown potato crust surrounded by creamy, dreamy eggs, dotted with salty ham and a layer of delicious Swiss cheese rounds out this hearty breakfast meal.
Great for a filling weekend breakfast, brunch, or weekday dinner.
Not only is it absolutely delicious, it's naturally gluten-free and everything cooks in one pan so it cleans up in a hurry. What more could you ask for?
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a potato crust frittata.
To start this recipe, I'm going to prepare my potatoes. I'm using 2 medium potatoes here and I'm going to slice them quite thinly to make the potato crust. I'm using a mandolin to quickly turn my potatoes into paper-thin slices, but you can just as easily use a knife to thinly slice your potatoes. I have a large greased cast iron skillet that I've preheated in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius oven. Carefully layer in the potatoes to cover the bottom of the pan. I got a double layer crust out of my potatoes. Remove from the oven and reduce the heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now you can fill your frittata with any number of delicious fillings, but today I'm going to make a ham and Swiss frittata. So on top of the potato crust, arrange 4 ounces or 113 grams of cubed ham. To make the flavorful rich egg custard, I'm going to crack into a bowl 10 whole eggs. Add in a half a cup of cream and about 1.5 teaspoons of herbs. I'm using thyme and rosemary today. Season the mixture well with salt and pepper. And then whisk everything together. I'm making sure to fully whisk the eggs before adding it to the pan. This will ensure the best egg texture in the final product. Sometimes there can be a few clumps of eggs that don't fully mix in. This can lead to an egg filling that's not silky smooth. Pour the mixture into the pan over top of the ham and potatoes. Finally, sprinkle on the grated Swiss cheese. Now everything can go into my preheated 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the frittata is set and lightly golden on top. This recipe is delicious hot or cold and can be served as a hearty breakfast or a delicious light dinner with a salad on the side. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.